Hi, Erik Linask here at IT Expo West in Austin. Talking now with Russell Wurth from Verecloud. Russell, welcome to Austin. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
So we're really excited to be here in Austin. I hope you are too. One of the big things that at least everybody here at IT Expo is excited about is the cloud. Tell me, what's Verecloud seeing in terms of the exciting things that are going on around cloud?
One of the exciting things we're seeing is just increased interest and adoption by small businesses of cloud services. They're really challenged to discover all that's capable in IT. It used to be that IT was the gatekeeper for what's possible in technology, but with the consumerization of IT with things like the iPad, iPhone, it's so much easier for any person to get their hands on great technology as a consumer. What we're seeing is a challenge for small businesses to find what they need to run their business, things like business class email, backup, compute power, things like that. So Verecloud operates an app store for small businesses that simplifies the discovery, selection, and management of cloud services.
So when you say an app store for small businesses, what kind of services, what kind of apps are you providing?
So these would be business class cloud applications, things such as email, computing services, backup and recovery software, security software, collaboration software, things like that. So we've aggregated and integrated best of breed, not best of suite solutions. So it's a one-stop shop for the person operating a pet store or a person operating a 500-seat regional branch of a bank.
So you said you pulled together best of breed solutions into your complete product offering. How do you decide something like that? What is best of breed?
For us, it's about the performance of the services. So we select cloud providers that have high availability. So things like 5.9 reliability, guaranteed SLA contracts. One of our partners, SoftLayer, for example, operates multiple data centers, so you can be geologically diverse or co-located with your servers there. So as a middleman, we're the ones that, on behalf of SMBs, will go out and discover the services that they need first and look for ones that have a unique price point that they need, the features they want, and something we can integrate. So do they have APIs available so that we can integrate those into our marketplace?
How does an SMB go about, to use the app term, installing something from Verecloud?
It's so simple. You go to verecloud.com, you create a profile, you swipe your credit card, and you're off and running. And that's a good thing and a bad thing, because today a lot of medium-sized companies and even enterprises have a lot of rogue IT going on. Mm-hmm. The marketing department, for example, may need 5 or 10 seats of a CRM application. Finance department may go out and purchase a cloud service without IT knowing about it. For Cloud Wrangler, we wanted to make sure IT is involved in the selection process. So we have 2 key free tools that we offer. It's a free expense management solution for the business admin. So all these services that are purchased, they can keep track of them, what departments are purchasing them, where the expenses are being allocated, how they can easily turn on and off services as people join the company. And for the IT admin, we offer monitoring and management tools. So while all these cloud services are actually run in different places, IT still keeps a track of what's going on. What's the uptime? Do I have tickets outstanding for any of these providers?
Do people typically come to Verecloud for one or an entire suite of services?
They actually come for 1 or 2 initially and then discover additional services they didn't even know were possible. So for example, business class email, everybody needs email, but then they'll discover what's their backup and recovery plan. Well, they need desktop backup and server backup. Are they running compute services on premise? Is it time to upgrade? Now they can look to moving some of those to the cloud.
What's the most popular service that people initially come to you for?
It would be our Exchange offering. It's simply the price point. It's very competitively priced. It integrates with SharePoint, integrates with our plugins, and it's something everybody understands. A lot of people are running email already out in the cloud. They don't run an email server on premise. It's something that's not a differentiator, but they're discovering all these other services they didn't even think about before.
So in addition to simply providing the services and the applications, what else do you offer for your SMB customers?
It's the free tooling primarily, so the management and monitoring tools on top of these cloud services, and we offer that for free. That's our value add in delivering these services to small businesses. So not only do we know they want these services, swipe a credit card, create an account, add users, but then manage it once it's been purchased. Keep track of everything from both a business cost accounting perspective, but also from an IT license management, compliance, and governance perspective.
simply to take that workload off of the IT guys at the SMB.
That's right. So this way, IT at a small business can focus on being innovative. They don't focus on break fix. You know, that 80% of their time, which is simply spent on operations and maintenance, IT should be an asset to a business, focusing on strategic initiatives. How can they be a differentiator? And the things we offer are just simply commodity applications that help everybody run their business in the same way.
Now, the great thing about the cloud, of course, is that geography becomes a non-issue. How far do Verecloud services reach today?
Well, right now we're only limited by our providers, and we focus solely on North America to begin with. But really, as you open the cloud marketplace up and you distribute the applications, well, you can now reach those geographic regions of customers where those applications are distributed.
Excellent. Been talking here at IT Expo West in Austin with Verecloud's Russell Wurth. Russell, thanks for joining me. Have a great show.
Hey, thanks a lot.